Well, a high-profile criminal trial like the one Baltimore will see this week draws lots of attention, lots of voices, a lot of scrutiny as well. And from a media standpoint, that makes things all the more complicated. So we leave it to our expert, David Collins, who's talked to us now. You'll be there front and center. One thing that I need to be cleared up, because I talked to some people last week, and they were worried about cameras in the courtroom. In Maryland, there are cases when you can, cases when you can't.
Now, wouldn't this be the best opportunity to put a live camera presence in the courtroom?
It'd be perfect.
Or at least stream it.
Sure.
Now, cameras are not allowed in criminal courts, but they are in the state's highest court, and they're also allowed in civil proceedings, provided, though, that all parties agree. Now, this push dates back to 1979. And the Maryland judiciary agreed to an 18-month pilot on it, but the General Assembly quickly intervened and outlawed cameras. Now, the reason a lot of people believe cameras aren't allowed in the criminal courts is because judges and attorneys don't want to be held accountable for their actions.
Another thing I think that may hamstring some reporters when they get in there and find out there are more restrictions on even how they're going to take their notes.
Well, let's start with security. It's always been security.
Yeah.
It's stepped up now.
Okay.
Lines are going outside the courtroom just for the motions. No cameras, no recording devices, no cell phones. We can't even take notes on our computers or electronic notepads. Pen and paper is all they're going to allow inside the courtroom. No backpacks. There's a gag order in place, so everyone involved in the case is not allowed to discuss anything outside of the courtroom. And there will be a designated area for media interviews across the street from the courthouse.
And you've become a good user of Twitter lately. Is this going to help you at all or hinder you? Will you be able to use it?
Well, you're going to be able to use it, but of course there are more restrictions. You know, social media is very important these days because that's where breaking news happens now. So what we have to do is we either go to a designated area inside the courthouse or outside the building just to post. We won't be able to do it in the hallway. Now, 11 News is dedicating a staff for tweets and other social media, and as soon as we're physically able to get outside of the courtroom, of course we're going to post it.
Sure, we've got about 40 seconds left. Talk to me about change of venue. Why don't you think that happened?
Well, the judge really said, let's see if we can find an impartial jury. And a lot of people are going to be disappointed if they find themselves with a seat in the courtroom. When they go for jury selection, the judge's going to call up between 75 and 80 people, and they're going to ask certain questions, but most of the questioning is going to be happening at the judge's bench, and he's going to flick on noise so nobody else in the courtroom can hear it. We've asked for a copy of the questions in advance, so at least we have a sample, and they're going to be rather unique. It's not going to be, have you heard about the case sort of thing. Some of the questions are going to be a little more probing, kind of peel back the onion, if you will.
Okay.
They're going to ask, how important is a religious leader in your life? And depending on that answer, someone is going to be able to tell whether you're influenced one way or the other about the trial.
Okay, I have a feeling we'll have you back again. Dave, thank you. We appreciate it. On to the next edition of 11 TV Hill. The 2016 races, they'll be front and center. Next Sunday on a special Commitment 2016 edition, we'll look at how the presidential race is shaping up and if the recent terror attacks are changing the conversation among the White House hopefuls. Plus, a crowded field here in Baltimore for the race for mayor. Stephanie Rawlings Blake says she will not seek re-election. We'll also hear from former Mayor Kurt Schmoke as he weighs in. And the new voting procedures set to launch here in Maryland next April. That and a whole lot more next Sunday on 11 TV Hill. That does it for this edition. I'm Jason Newsom. Thanks for joining us.